For 30 years, the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program has been educating residents and industry professionals about the simple steps they can take to save time, money, and water in their home landscapes. And this year, as we celebrate, we're asking every Floridian to take the Florida Friendly Landscaping Pledge and commit to using at least one of the 9 principles in their home landscapes. But you might be wondering, what are the 9 principles of the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program? So here they are.
I pledge to use the right plant in the right place.
I pledge to water efficiently.
Moi prometo pour moi appliquer engrais comme se doit.
Me comprometo a utilizar cobertura acolchada.
I pledge to use plants that attract wildlife.
I pledge to manage yard pests responsibly.
I pledge to recycle yard waste.
I pledge to reduce stormwater runoff.
I pledge to protect the waterfront.
Thousands of Floridians have already committed themselves and their gardens to the principles of Florida Friendly Landscaping. Last year, the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program helped to save almost 360 million gallons of water. That's enough water to supply more than 4,000 households for a year. In our 30th year, we're excited for the opportunity to teach even more Floridians how being Florida friendly in their landscapes can help protect and conserve water across the state. And at the same time, these principles help save money on the utility bill. Last year, the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program helped residents save more than $1.5 million. Visit the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program website to take the pledge today and find out how you can start saving.